Ang committee po report ay nagpatupad ng pamantayang wala sa Section 5, tulad ng paghingi ng direktang presidential issuance o personal na pag-akda ng allegasyong BBM formula, paghingi ng malinaw na aligasyon ng personal knowledge, approval o intent ng Pangulo, pag-require ng detalye na pang-trial na eksaktong proyekto, halagang benepisyaryo, pagtimbang ng ebidensya at issue ng authentication, at paggamit ng mga doktrinang tulad ng operative fact at presumption of constitutionality upang resolbahin agad ang merito. Ang mga ito ay merits determination, hindi Section 5
Madam Chair,
sufficient.
point of
I still have the floor.
No, point of order precedes all motions or discussion. Point of order.
This is a point of order, Honorable Erice. We shall hear the Honorable Rodriguez.
Madam Chair, we have to therefore ask a speaker to point which page and which particular paragraph are not reflective of what has been discussed in the committee, or what is lacking and where it should be placed if it's lacking. We cannot go back to again a hearing on the substance on this case, Madam Chair. So that's a point of order. Let us have our very respectable Congressman Erice to point to us where is the paragraph here that is not reflective of what we discussed and what is quite lacking, like what Congressman Tino has done. So may we know. We cannot have here a peroration of what is his stand on the substance of the complaint.
Masyado po nagmamadali si...
No, I'm not.
Darating
It's a point
po
of
ako.
order
Darating
because,
po sa punto na yun.
we have to go directly. We
Yes.
cannot have so much statement. When we are
2 minutes.
discussing
I have 2 minutes.
The
I
four
have 2
corners of the resolution of the committee report.
I have 2 minutes.
Now we had the point of order should be ruled by the chairperson. We asked for the ruling of the point of order of this representation, that we should directly go into the committee report and point to us what are not reflective of what was discussed there and what are lacking to what the congressman is proposing. Thank
Madam
you.
Chair,
Since the point of order is in the hierarchy of the most paramount motion, and the objection and explanation of the honorable colleagues pertains on the committee report, the Honorable Erice is so directed to pinpoint the portions of the committee report he is objecting to and cite his justification supporting his objection.
The Masa complaint has a direct allegation that that there is a 8 billion kickback for the president. And this is a direct allegation. Ito po ay hindi binigyan ng pagkakataon. Kung ito po ay hindi bibigyan ng substance ng committee na ito.
The Honorable Erice is reminded that the comment should be confined to the committee report rather
Yes,
than
Madam Chair.
the committee report.
Madam Chair,
Madam
if-
Chair, comment on the point of order.
Unless you're raising a point of order, we shall wait until the Honorable Erice finishes his manifestation. Is that the point of order?
No, a comment on the point of order is by Rep. Rupus
The point of
Rodriguez.
order has been resolved. The Honorable Erice
Point of
is
information.
recognized to finish his manifestation. Let's wait until Honorable Erice is done.
Madam Chair, my objection to the report is on the issue of the Bernardo allegations that the president accepted or there were 8 billion pesos for the president. It's a direct allegation. And this should be, and I think it should be discussed in the committee report. Why is it that the committee did not consider it as sufficiently enough to pursue investigation? Thank you.
Honorable Rodriguez.
That point precisely, we have already pointed out that paragraph 13 of the findings on page 9 of 17, you have to cite, if you have a question on this, you have to cite the page and cite the paragraph. And we can clearly see here that paragraph 13, while the statements of Joseph Bernardo might corroborate the statements of former Saldico, there is nothing in the statements of Yusek Bernardo which directly links the president. In fact, the next one, because there were three allegations. The first one is Saldico's statement. In fact, I would like to include in this particular finding that we have pointed out that the Saldico video statement, nothing can spring from that because it is not notarized, it's not in the territory of the Philippines. And it's not here. And probably I will also ask that. But here on his point, Madam Chair, the Cabral files cannot also be a basis so clearly that we discussed in this report that too, allegedly that will direct in their own complaint, direct involvement of the president in insertions and kickbacks. Now, this is already the finding, Madam Chair. So therefore, the statement of due respect to Congressman Erice, it reflects already the reasons why the Bernardo State's testimony cannot be considered to form substance to these cases. Thank you. Madam Chair.
Madam